Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to white out text in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to remove sensitive information or simply clean up a document before sharing it. Let's jump right into it. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to Recent Files and select the file you want to white out. This will open your document in the main workspace, ready for editing. Now, look over to the left panel and click on All Tools. You'll see various editing options appear. Go ahead and click View More to expand the full list of available tools. This gives you access to Adobe's complete suite of PDF editing features. From this expanded menu, look for Redact a PDF and click it. The redaction tool is specifically designed for permanently removing content from PDFs, and we'll be using it to create our whiteout effect. This will open up the redaction panel on the left side of your screen. In the left panel, click on Set Properties. This is where you'll customize how your redaction will appear. By default, Adobe uses a black color for redacted areas, but we're going to change this to white to create that classic whiteout look. Navigate to Redacted Area Fill Color, then click the color picker beside it. A color selection window will appear. From here, select white color from the available options. This ensures that when you redact text, it will be covered with white instead of black. Once you've selected white, click OK to confirm your choice. Now you're ready to start white out the content. In the left panel, click Redact Text and Images. Your cursor will change, allowing you to select areas of the document. Go ahead and highlight the text you want to white out by clicking and dragging over it. You can select as many sections as you need before applying the redaction. Once you've selected all the areas you want to white out, look to the bottom left and click Apply. Adobe will ask you to confirm this action since redaction is permanent. Click Continue to proceed. The selected text will now be permanently covered with white, creating that whiteout effect you're looking for. Finally, select the location where you want to save your edited document. You can rename the file if needed to distinguish it from the original, then click Save. Your PDF with the whiteout areas is now ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully white out text in your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.